Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to make your third brake light blink like a Formula One car? I'll show you how. Alright guys, let's talk about this project a little bit, and this is going to be one of those ones that takes longer to explain than it is really to do. So Bimmertech makes this fantastic little plug-in that you actually install on your third brake light that actually makes it blink 3 times and then go solid. Helps attract a little bit more attention. Hopefully people will see it, that motion, and then yeah, it's kind of cool. It looks kind of like a Formula One car. So I want to show you how to install this, but it is super simple, guys. So let's go ahead and jump. Let's jump into the back of the car and I'll show you how to do this. All right, y'all, so here we are in the back seat. I've already got the cover off because this is really the only conceivable way to show you how to get this off. This is sealed up really nice and tight up against your roof line, and you can't see any of the things that keep this in place. And so even if I showed it half pried off, you wouldn't see what I was talking about. So as you can tell that it's off now, but as we look at it, there's really over-designed cover. So you have these little flange hooks that are hooking into your ceiling carpet, your headliner. You have your typical kind of BMW plastic posts right here that snap up into holes as usual, like the BMW likes to do. And then in addition, you have these little flanged hooks that are hooked up into little boxes on the back side of the light itself. So basically, what you end up having to do is I came at it from this back edge. I was able to gap this back edge down just a little bit, enough that I could start to get my fingers in and get to where these posts are. Now, if need be, you can always use a plastic trim tool or something similar to slide back to get the posts to separate. So now, the only thing that's holding it in place, so the fingers are off, the posts are off, the only thing that are holding it in place are these little plastic fingers. So what you want to do is come in from either side. You can use a plastic trim tool, you can use your fingers if you have small hands, and press inward, and then it'll come down. And you do that on both sides, and then this comes off. All right, this is the only thing about this install that even makes it even vaguely difficult. This is a really over-designed cover. All right, so now we're going to unplug the light. So let me shift my camera, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so looking at the back of the light, you can see you just have one line that comes in. You just want to unplug this, and the new box is just going to jump into its place. This plugs in here, the new box plugs into the light, and it's that simple. You might even want to take a little bit of 3M adhesive or something similar, double-sided adhesive, and stick this up so it doesn't rattle around. And then it's that simple. Then you snap the cover back into place, and you're good to go. All right, safely secured in place, as you can see, with just a little bit of 3M adhesive. I'm just going to snap the cover back on. So just snap it into these front hooks first, leverage it up, get those tail hooks in, and you are good to go. All right, y'all, so normally I'd say clean up and put your tools away, but you probably didn't really use any, or maybe a single plastic trim tool. This really is like a 3-minute install. So super simple and can have a really cool effect on your third brake light. Thank you to Bimmertech for making such a simple and easy to install product. I love having their gear in my car. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a big difference to my channel and I would really appreciate it. Plus that way you get notifications of upcoming projects. I've got new videos, new car reviews, more DIYs, events coming up. It's going to be really busy. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on my next project.